Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because today we're stepping into a time machine that runs on V8 rumble and shag-carpet dreams. We're talking about the 1974 Ford C-750 Camelot cruiser motorhome. Basically, the ultimate fantasyland on wheels for anyone who's ever thought, I want my RV to look like it moonlights as a disco club and a hunting lodge. Now, let me tell you something. I once took my neighbor Gary on a road trip in a 1995 Class C with duct tape holding the microwave in place. But this is not your cousin's Craigslist RV. This is a factory-built rolling castle, built on a Ford C-750 truck with a Gerstenslager trailer, all transformed into a Camelot cruiser by Edler & Company of Skokie, Illinois. It's got more class than my high school reunion, and trust me, that's a low bar. Under the hood, you've got a 391 cubic inch V8 engine, roughly 6.4 liters of good old American thunder. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it pushes power to the rear wheels. And back in the day, that meant it could outrun half the vehicles stuck behind it gawking. And let's not skip the essentials. Chrome front bumper, split windshield, CB radio, air-assisted brakes, and dual air horns loud enough to wake your ex in another time zone. Rolling on 22.5-inch steel wheels, wrapped in 11R 22.5 Ironman tires. This beast got a serious makeover in 2022. We're talking new tires, carb overhaul, fuel tanks cleaned and coated, fresh fuel pump, ignition bits, wheel bearings repacked, the whole spa package. Even the trailer got pampered with new shock absorbers, brake air reservoirs, and suspension airbags. I think this rig's had more work done than my buddy Dave's hairline. Inside the cab, you get a classic bench seat in black vinyl, a 100-mile-per-hour speedo. Ambitious, aren't we? And every analog gauge known to man. I liked the intercom system the most. Probably so you could yell, "We're out of Doritos" to your buddy lounging in the back without getting up. Pro tip, the roof AC in the cab doesn't work, so bring a fan or drive really fast. Now the trailer, oh man, it's a walk through Wonderland. The living room has a sofa, coffee table, and more yellow tufted upholstery than a Vegas lounge. The kitchenette, full double basin porcelain sink, 4-burner gas cooktop, and a Dometic fridge freezer ready to keep your root beer frosty. There's sculptured carpet on the floor, wood grain paneling on the walls, and panoramic windows that scream, "We watched the moon landing live." In the bedroom, you've got a full-size double bed, a faux-brick accent wall, because nothing says luxury like fake masonry, and curtains that probably witness some weird disco-era dreams. The bathroom? Double sinks, vanity, shower, and a toilet. I believe this thing had more plumbing than my first apartment. Oh, and did I mention it came with 2 vintage Poloron snowmobiles? Because clearly someone thought, this needs more retro adrenaline. All of this sold by Krobsklassics for a cool $133,000, about 124,500 euros. Honestly, I think that's a fair price for something that lets you cosplay as a 1970s rock star while hauling your own living room through the Rockies. If you're still reading and haven't hit the link below, you're missing out. And finally, folks, if you laughed, learned something, or just love weird old rigs as much as we do, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's less than a gallon of gas, or roughly what it costs me in self-respect every time I back into a tree. Sold thy Krobsklassics to Pivot 826 for USD $133,000.